damtang ni phaing koi kipleyon sil kep ingkan suri ni ran ingkan koi rapho achu talomara taun thongnokpi akumlin along karitang dunse po jubing garaphan kachiki moto duar bagri press club atumpen chepatil ponsi talomara taun thongnokpi akumlin along karitang dunse po jubing garaphan kachiki mo patutu bangso kachiki mo ponahut duar bagri press club pen japon dingsi duar bagri KCS June Dolomara police station lapen Dolomara town along dokan kachubi atum rong arat pen chenglok pinang an abang phu bang piatu chetong dun sing ningduk ninglak pen kachikimu pado pon lapen kachikimu pon ahut karitang lunsipo jubingar alamo aputhak alam thi heihui setami kethan pon du pon drinki lapen duar bagri press club pen kapater pipon pen chikimu setami padu pon si lamti than pon tangti perakte thengno duar bagri press club atum pen karitang jubingar aphan kachikimu alam theli arju pon insinan dolomora pen Moses Tarang Nangkilu Abirta News Text Report All India 24/7 News.
Parpiklo abang Putin pansme idum langnam lo ten ding tukalam atheke asam along chot lapokali period heda lapen Bollywood along tame inut anong chitangklong alun sepo Zubin Garg alangli patumiti ka por Northeast Festival of Han Singapore long tamlo alangli performance aprang kijuye unahot hagorong langka chingluhut si alangli la scuba diving ke klembo mun hase alangli hadak man akiun e nang dokolo achi theke bang phana kasik sa dokolo la peralangli phan hospital long pondet pen la pora jir kiding alangli survive hune dat pen pot pinia prana with that see all over India la pen period hedang alangli lun se song atum anda make a chikimo jai make denglo hem la son thak si pini ditum duar baguri press club la pen Karbi Cultural Society duar baguri zone atum labang so phan ka chikimo alangli kar jong chomrong me ke parab je phan ka chikimo la pen ning duk ke chepakla nun ang thek pini dak hithiar ni tame ong dung atum nang ke chitu no potamya kero pilo la pen Zubin Garg alangli reng unhut 1990 sahut alangli manai po album pukhila lek thepi pen tame alangli lun kilun la pen aphi ako jontro po album sitame ako pukhila lek thepi pen Assamese Karbi version Bodo version la pen alangli reng tikuna hut 40 languages lam thep cap alam pen lun ka records la pen ili tumnon social media truly pen arjulong lo more than 38,000 songs alangli release lo pini alangli kado ka vya khay phanda inghon pik alangli phani tum social media truly pen arjulong lo alangli bang phan rap pik ala politician nun kerabun ya kam dami alangli rap pik la pen ong dunga tum phan kalana more than 15% he has kuson lo alangli adopted more than 15 persons la si alangli phan ka chikimo jai mek pini tum deng dun de chok de la si alangli contribution Karbi music along kachirap thedu la pen part me Christian alun gospel song Karbi Christian Christmas ahut me alangli bonjot sna pen tame kardom Christmas kardom pula bang so alun me alangli kilun do kokpo sipini Karbi khai dum ilitum dojo thekire salang phan ka chikimo ja mek deng dunang kong la sinili Josumet I would like also to request to all the people of Assam due to the death of our Zubin Garg there should not be any misunderstanding between any sections of society. We have come across in the social media platform that because of that some organization has gone to closer down by force or somewhere doing blockages where many of the general public has been faced during this crucial time. So let us condole him, let us give respect in his which he do not want to come misunderstanding arose between all the sections of people. So on behalf of Duar Bagri Press Club, we once again would like to condole our Jubinda. Rest in eternal peace. Thank you. Sir?